Have you ever had trouble helping your child with their homework? As a parent, you might have noticed that helping your child with homework assignments can be quite challenging. There are so many things that need to be done. You have to cook, wash clothes, clean the house, fix the car. Ask yourself, is being busy the only reason why you can't help with homework? Or is there something else that is preventing you? Could it be that some parents are afraid to admit that they don't understand the homework themselves? Wow, that can be embarrassing. How long has it really been since you added fractions with unlike denominators, changed a percent to a decimal, or used the scientific method in a science project? Sure, you may have forgotten certain academic skills, but your child needs these basic skills before receiving a college education. Would you like to be able to elevate your child to their highest potential? If so, let us help you. Enhancing Youth provides online access to unique academic instructional videos, webinars, online courses, and webinars that is directed to parents, not children. Learn how to confidently address your child's important homework questions in order to succeed in school. Join Enhancing Youth and guide your child to academic success.